Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we are going to be learning how to log out of your ShibBob website. To log out or sign out of ShibBob is a quick and an easy process. So let's go ahead and dive into the video. First of all, open your web browser and then type in shipbob.com in the URL box. Make sure that you're inside the main homepage for ShibBob. Now, in order to log out or sign out of your account, all you need to do is to find this log out button at the bottom left and simply click on it. But before clicking on that, make sure you remember your credentials that you used previously for signing up to ShibBob. You'll need to type in your credentials, that is your email and password, correct every time you get back to your ShibBob account while logging in. If you remember your credential, click on log out and you will be redirected to the main login page for ShibBob again. That is how you can easily sign out or log out of ShibBob. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.